make Rumi a half-glam outfit. Where should we start?
Oh, let's do cardboard.
You got it! Grabbing scissors, cutting out half an outfit. Now paper glue. Spreading and sticking it on. Coloring with cardboard pencils. Easy peasy. Just need a belt with a charm. Gorgeous! Moving on to the glam side. Peeling off the backing. Let's add more sparkle. Pouring golden glitter. Looks super glam. Putting on the half jacket and half of some light blue shorts, adding a sparkly heart. The cardboardy fabulous outfit is done. Time for the girls to rate the look.
It's amazing. We're Huntrix.
Presenting Huntrix. Wow, that was incredible. They're future stars. But for the grand concert, we'll need new costumes.
Okay.
Hey, Rumi, hop on in. Let's head to the workshop. Oops, you okay? And here's the fabric for your look. Laying out the pattern and tracing with a marker. Cutting along the outline. Right on the line. Threading a needle and stitching by hand. Now we've got marvelous little shorts. Let's put on the jacket. Perfect.
Urgent delivery!
Here's your first paycheck. Just in time, adding gold accents to the outfit. Gluing on gems. What else is in here? Aha! A golden collar. Looks great on Rumi. Adding lapels. Putting on some stylish boots. Rumi looks like a real star now. Huntrix is off on tour.
Let's go, we're gonna miss the flight. Wait up! Hold on!
Yes, well, I want to order a cake for Rumi. Perfect, that's enough for everything. Let me help. Hi-ya! I'll start with the biggest tube. I cut it and place a pack of Pringles inside. Moving on to the next tier. Party candles will help heat up the knife. That makes cutting the plastic bottom much easier. And now I assemble all the layers together. Squeezing out the cream. Oops, the bag ripped. It's okay, using hands is more fun. Covering the entire surface with light clay. So much cream. Stop! Ugh, oh, this is light clay. Decorate the cake with golden drips made of hot glue. Write Rumi's name with Elmer's and sprinkling glitter on top. Amazing! Let's brush off the extra. All that's left is adding rhinestones. Perfect! And a gold crown on top.
Yippee!
And Gina will hide inside. Let's surprise Rumi. All right, time to head to the Golden Lounge. Oh, steering this cake isn't that easy. Psst, Rumi is coming.
Where is everyone? Is nobody going to congratulate me? Well, at least there's a cake.
Oh my gosh! Ah! Don't touch the cake!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, Rumi, it's you! Happy birthday!
Ginu, thank you. Oh,
I'll help him get out. That will be easier. Did you really think we forgot? Hey, everyone, come here. Huntrix fans were hiding inside the cake.
Rumi, we love you. That's so sweet.
Everyone is here, except
Only Mira and Zoe are missing. Guess who?
here we are. Congratulations.
Girls, I'm so happy.
And tasty, a shining delight. Dance
This is the best birthday ever!
Time to start the celebration.
I'll show you a life hack on how to make gorgeous mini roses. We need ribbons, toothpicks, and double-sided tape. I stick the tape onto the ribbon and remove the backing, folding the ribbon and rolling it into a spiral shape. Attaching the tip to a toothpick and starting to twist. These cute little roses come out. For the base, I place light clay into a box and press the flowers in. Decorating with green leaves. The basket of roses is ready.
Thank you. Rumi will definitely love it.
Oh, she's here! We need to hide the bouquet.
Let's make it a surprise. Rumi, this is for you.
Just one? Oh, well, thanks.
Did you like it?
Yes, of course.
But that's not all.
Let's turn the seat around. What a gorgeous bouquet!
Wow!
Yes, I made it myself.
Thank you. You did such a great job.
Meanwhile, I'll craft some cupcakes. I cut the baking set apart. Paint the molds with gold acrylic. The filling will be light clay. Roll a tiny ball and place it inside. Pipe the cream. Add golden sprinkles. Decorate with beads. Now let's plan the serving. I choose bottle caps of different sizes. Outline them on foam. Cut them out. Glue to the caps. Wrap the sides. Next step, gold straws. Cut and stack the tiers. Add golden pearls. Arrange the cupcakes. Here are the DIY cupcakes I made for the doll's K-pop party. Wow, so pretty.
Amazing! It looks delicious.
Mira, this one's for you.
Thank you.
Yum, yum, so tasty. Rumi enjoys her treat like a true lady.
Wonderful, such a divine smell.
My precious. One cupcake won't be enough for Zoe.
Now this is a real lunch.
Mira and Rumi are shocked by her appetite. Huntrix and Sasha boys are heading out on a cruise. But who will get which ship?
Calling the gold one!
Tick-tock. The gold cruise needs new outfits. Let's start with swimsuits.
Let me help. Oops.
Here's the fabric. I place the piece on the doll and stitch it by hand. Snipping off the extra threads.
Lalalu, next is the skirt. Wait, where did it go?
I'll make one from a foil balloon. Poke it and tear a piece off. Joining two halves together. Adding a shoulder decoration.
Wow, you look gorgeous.
Next up is Zoe.
No!
Let me go instead. I trace Mira's outline on gold fabric. Cutting the shape with scissors and gluing the edges.
I brought the hot glue.
We've got a stylish top and bottom. Perfect. Okay, now it's really Zoe's turn.
No!
All right, I'll finish Mira's look. Adding lace to the shorts. Using the scissors, my dolls look amazing. Rumi, Mira, where's Zoe?
I want a shark costume.
Isn't that a bit small?
So what?
I know what we can try instead.
Well, how do I look?
Stunning, do a spin.
Easy. Ta-da!
Wow!
Our golden outfits are ready! Yay! Time for the yacht!
All hands on deck. Oh, they forgot the hats. The liners are now in open waters. Wow, it's gorgeous out here.
Thank you.
Me too!
Perfect.
Wow.
Oh wow, this beats the couch.
You're right. Let's take a selfie.
The girls are adorable.
Zoe decided to take a look around. Did you see this? It's a mic!
Yippee! Yay!
Oops! Girls, let's sing!
Let's go.